Boxers! Welcome back to my channel. This is Ana Magkawas and I want to greet all of you guys a happy Valentine's Day! Well, obviously guys, wala po tayo sa shop today. Andito po kami sa aming bahay. Yes, inuwi ko yung mga bags dito dahil wala akong time. Talagang halos i-squeeze ko na talaga yung oras ko para lang matapos itong video na to. So sa ating mga new viewers, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the bell para po updated kayo sa ating mga new videos. Na nating patagalin pa, let's start our luxury bag haul part 13. Daran! So guys, familiar ba kayo sa bag na to? Well, yes! This is my bag. So ito yung nakikita nyo na gamit-gamit ko before sa aking mga post. And this bag guys, look, ang ganda ng kulay, diba? Perfect this summer. So it's a tricolor petite no bag in epi leather. So guys, ito, good as new condition pa rin po siya. As in, maganda pa siya. Look at the condition of the bag. Here, so close up is it's a combination of orange, blue, and green, and other corners wala po siyang problema guys. Look, as in bagong-bago pa. And there, and also the handle. Ito yan. Let's check yung kanyang loob. So this is a drawstring bag. So yan po, maayos pa, masyadong gamit na gamit guys. And malinis yung loob. Look. So, suede po yung kanyang loob. Mayroon siyang bulsa. Here. Yan yung pocket niya inside. Ayan. And I'm selling this bag. Very, very low lang, guys. And it's silver hardware. Ayan. Silver hardware po siya. And may kasama pa siyang here. Date code, makikita natin siya sa loob ng bulsa sa gilid. So, as you can see, this one's TJ2182. So, it's year 2012. So, see, meron na naman tayong Goyard. This one naman, guys, is color blue. So, the last time na meron tayong ganito is yung color gray. So, guys, this one is still good as new condition. So, slightly used lang siya. So, here, look at the condition of the bag. So, yung corners niya, no scuffings at all. So, makinis po. Look. Yan. So, maganda yung condition niya. Yan, walang mga gas-gas yung corners. And also, no scratches yung kanyang body. Yan. And also, ito yung kanyang handle. So, just the major flaw nitong bag na to na napansin ko is this one. Yung kanyang sa gilid ng handle. So, yan yung usual na sakit talaga ng Goyard. Yung sa gilid ng handle. Yan. Pansin nyo po ba? But then, hindi naman pa siya ganun kaano. Okay, and this bag, yan, meron siyang zipper. So, here, yung loob niya. And, of course, yung kanyang pocket, wristlet. And there. And look! So guys, meron tayo Louis Vuitton Macassar bag. And this one, ang ganda niya. Pwedeng-pwede siya for document bag, especially yung mga nag-office dyan. So this bag is perfect para sa inyong mga documents and folders. Bihira lang yung ganitong klase ng Louis Vuitton na second hand guys. Bihira yung nagsisell ng ganito kasi nga maganda siya. So it's a combination of monogram canvas and black yung kanyang leather strap. So, hindi siya dumihin, unlike the Bacheta leather. So, guys, this bag is silver hardware and meron siyang lagay ng strap dito sa gilid. So, here. Meron siyang long strap na kasama. So, pwede nyo siya as a handbag and pwede rin as a shoulder bag. This bag, guys, maganda pa yung condition niya. Look. So, still good as yung condition. Here. Ayan. Udas new pa siya. At saka ang ganda niya, guys. Bihira yung ganitong bag. And, yan yung kanyang gilid. Here. So, tingnan natin yung kanyang loob. Yan. So, malinis yung loob niya. And meron siyang 2 pockets inside. And look, so this bag is made in France. So, see yung kanyang date code. Ito, nasa gilid po niya. So, this bag is DU3182. So, it's year 2012 also. So guys, now we have this Prada Mini Double Zip sa Piano Luxe in caramel color. So, ang ganda niya guys. And this bag is gold hardware. So, last time meron tayo yung color blue. Mga naghahanap pa ng ganitong cute bag. So, this one guys, ang maganda rin yung kulay niya. And maganda sa kanya is complete. Bihira yung Prada na may box ha. So, medyo nang worn out lang yung itong kanyang takip. So, tapean na lang natin. So, it comes with dust bag, box, and the card. And also, andito pa yung kanyang tag price. So, this bag was bought in Prada Greenbelt just no May 26, 2018. So, imagine, last year lang. Super bagong-bago pa yung bag. And here is the price. So, this was bought 118,000. See the condition of the bag, guys. So, look at the bag close up and still good as new condition. So, yan. Makinis pa siya. And of course, may 4 metal feet. So, yun yung gilid. And the back. So, no scratches, guys. The handle, guys. Yan. So, sobrang kinis pa. And, let's check. So, of course, meron siyang kasamang long strap. So, here. Yan. Long strap. And isilipin natin yung loob, guys. Look, so malinis na malinis po yung loob. Ayan. And yun nga. So, double zip siya. So, yan. Guys, we have this Chanel wallet on chain. This bag is color blue. Still in excellent condition. So, look. Check natin siya close up. So, here. So, makikita nyo meron lang siyang mga dark. Yan, dark spots sa kanyang corners. Yan, so slight scuffings. There. Kasi yan yung nakikis-kiss. Diba? Pero, maganda pa yung bag overall. And pwede nyo rin siyang ipalinis or ipabags pa para mas gumanda siya. Well, for me, it's no need pa naman. And look at the strap. So, yung kanyang hardware is gunmetal color na. And here, yung loob niya. So, malinis naman po yung loob. And this bag, guys, is Series 24. So, here is the serial number. Made in Italy. Here. Yan. So, diba, yung mga mahilig sa color blue dyan. So, here, grab nyo na guys dahil ang mura nitong bag na to. So, guys, eto na. We have a Celine Nano bag. So, alam kong ang dami naghihintay ng bag na to. Kaya unahan na lang, guys. So, this bag, guys, is still good as brand new condition. Ito yung bagong version ng Celine Nano. So, look. So, still complete with the dust bag and the cards. And look at the condition, guys. Very, very slightly used. Halos hindi magamit ni owner. Kasi ang dami niyang bags. Yes. And there, as in, super, super bago. Even yung smell niya, amoy na amoy leather. Kabibili niya lang nito last year. And look at the strap. There. And yung loob niya. So, here. Malinis na malinis po. And di ba before, usually yung mga Celine Nano, makikita natin yung kanilang serial number with a leather tab sa gilid ng bag sa dulo. Well, this time, since ito na nga po yung bagong version, so dito na natin makikita, naka-emboss na siya. Yan, kita nyo po. Yan. So, naka-emboss na yung kanyang serial number. And also, this bag is here, it's made in Italy. So, guys, good luck kung kanino mapupunta to dahil super jackpot. Look! Grabe! Nakakatakam na naman yung kanyang color. Diba nagkaroon tayo before ng ganitong marmot din. So guys, this one naman is a brand new Gucci marmot in medium size. So here, ito yung medyo malaking size, guys. It's perfect. Magagamit ko for your office. Here, and ang ganda ng kulay niya, diba? Nakakatakam. So brand new. Nabili po to ni owner actually in Dubai. Yan. So, let's check. So, here. It's a marmot flap. And it's made in Italy. Oh my God! Ayan po yung loob niya. So, may pocket siya sa loob. And, of course, the cards. Ito pa, may picture pa. And, we have the leather swatch. Yan. So, complete naman siya. Yun nga lang po yung kanyang box and paper bag. Medyo worn out na, guys. Pero, mahalaga at least meron, guys. So, now, guys, we have this cute Chanel mini rectangular flap. So, look. Yes, may nagsaside bet dito sa aking gilid. So, ang cute ng color, diba? And meron siyang, here, meron siyang mga bling-bling dito. Yan. So, tingnan natin, guys. This bag is still in excellent condition. Naghahanap din ng sling bag na Chanel. So, here, yan. Cute, diba? So, let's check the condition of the bag. Well, actually, this bag, napaspa na po siya. Yan. So, bagong spa siya. So, look, kaya malinis na malinis yung bag. So, walang flaw. Yung kanyang corners. Ayan. So, malinis siya. So, kalalabas niya lang from the spa. And gold na gold pa po yung kanyang hardwares. Look. Ayan. And, let's check yung kanyang loob. So, this bag still comes with card. And this is series 19. Yan. Malinis po yung loob. Look. And ito yung kanyang pocket inside. And the serial number, ayan, nasa dulo po. So, look. Nasa dulo. We have this Hermes Herbag Zip in PM size in golden yellow color. So, look. Well, actually, same owner nito nung Goyard and nung Nano bag. Yung Celine Nano kanina. So, kaya kung mapapansin nyo, also this bag is still good as new condition, so slightly used. So, the only flaw na nakikita ko is etong isang dot mark na to. Yan. And, very, very minimal color transfer here. Dahil yan yung, syempre, pagka kumakas ka sa jeans natin. So, yan. So, dito. Well, anyway, pwede nyo po siyang dalhin sa bags pa. Para totally mas mag-lighten siya. And look at the corners, guys. So, yan. So, maayos yung bag. Here. And wala pang masyadong scratches on the leather part. And this bag is in Palladium hardware. So, let's check. Yan. So, yun yung loob. Interior niya, guys. Look. There. And super linis. And, yan. So, ito yung kasama niya na extra wristlet. This is the lock. And ito yung kanyang key. And of course, long strap. So, pwede nyo siyang gamitin as a handbag and also as a shoulder bag. Guys, meron na naman po tayong Hermes Lindy and of course, color black. And this one naman is size 32. So, yung last natin na brand new is size 30. This one naman is size 32, but this is used. But slightly used lang, guys. So, this bag is still good as new condition. So, look, tingnan natin yung closer pictures. Yan. Closer details of the bag. So, look, yan. So, walang tama yung kanyang corners. Makinis na makinis. No scratches. Ayan po. Look. And ito yung kanyang back portion. And also the handle, guys. Then the handle. Yan. And so this bag is in Palladium hardware. So look. So yan, makinis pa rin yung kanyang hardwares. So tingnan natin. And yung stamp niya is yan, squared O. Promise, the condition is still super ganda. Bagong-bago. Yan. Yan. And look, yung loob niya. Ayan po. So, hindi siya masyadong gamit na gamit. And, ito nga may plastic pa, yung likod ng hardware sa loob. So, yung naghahanap ng Lindy dyan, promise, this is a good buy.
Bigs.
Another her bag zip. This one naman is in GM size and it's color red. Look, diba? Ang ganda. Well, same owner again ni her bag and minano kanina. Sa kanya pa rin to. Kaya, look at the condition of the bag. Super brand new condition. As in, nagamit niya lang to once. Kasi nga, medyo kihan siya. Eh, hindi naman siya. Medyo petit kasi si owner. So, hindi bumagay sa kanya. So, look at the condition, guys. Super new. Here. And yan yung kanyang likod. And let's open it. Ganda, oh. So, again, ito yung kanyang wristlet. Yan yung loob niya po. Malinis na malinis. And we can see yung her bag kanina, that's stamp A. So, this bag naman, we can see the stamp dito sa portion na to. So, this bag naman is stamp A. Yan. So, diba, bagong-bago. Let's see, kasi parang may laman yung loob ng bulsa. So, here. So, ito, nandito yung kanyang lock and the key. Ayan. Yan yung ikakabit natin. Look! We have another Birkin bag. And this bag is Birkin 35 in gold hardware. Look, guys. Super ganda. Ang ganda ng tindig and bagong-bago. Tingnan nyo mabuti. Look. Diba? Ang ganda niya, oh. And slightly used lang, guys. Hindi siya masyado nagamit ni owner. Look, so still complete with box, dust bag. And ito nga may plastic pa yun dito niya. Look. And this bag is stamped D squared. Ayan. But look at the condition. Bagong-bago. Even yung corners, guys, walang tama. Here. Ayan. Ang ganda pati ng kulay niya. Ganda ng color. Ayan. Check yung loob ng bag. steel. May ganito pa siyang kasama. So, yan po yung loob. Malinis na malinis, guys. Yan. So, alam nyo, grabe. Sobrang, yung last natin, yung B30 natin, yung nakaraang haul, it was sold already. At swerte-swerte talaga si buyer doon dahil sobrang bago pa yung bag. Well, same with this bag, guys. So, super mura, but in very, very nice condition. So, para kayong bumili rin ng bago, but nakatipid kayo ng malaki. Nakatipid kayo ng bonggang-bongga. So guys, ayan po, nakita nyo na yung ating mga bags and I'm sure na nabusog ulit ang inyong mga mata, guys. So for orders and inquiries, just message us in our Instagram and Facebook account at LuxOnlinePH. And up na po ang ating new and official website ng LuxOnlinePH, which is Bag Talks by Ana. So guys, visit www.bagtalksbyana.com and mag-subscribe po kayo at mag-sign up po kayo doon. And of course, meron tayong Valentine's promo. Just type LUXVAL or LuxVal. I-enter nyo lang ang coupon code na yon para magkaroon kayo ng 5% discount sa mga items na available natin doon. So guys, until next time, see you and goodbye! Happy Puso!